iPhone or iPad won't turn on after update. This phenomenon also occurred when iOS 15 Beta 14, 13, 12, 11 was released. To get this question around, we will mention some selected methods in this tutorial which are approved useful by many folks. Now, check them out to make your iDevice respond again. Part 1. What happens when iPhone will not turn on after update? iPhone gets stuck on the red screen of death. iPhone is stuck in headphone mode. iPhone is stuck on a black Apple logo with a white screen. The screen keeps blue when your iPhone is about to turn on. iPhone gets stuck in a boot loop. Part 2. Why won't my iPhone turn on after update? Depleted battery. Charge device before update. System crash. Force restart to fix issues. Firmware issues. Damaged firmware after update. Hardware glitch if troubleshooting fails. Part 3. iPhone or iPad won't turn on after update? 5 fixes for you. Fix 1. Charge your iPhone. When iPhone reaches critical battery level, plug into power supply. Wait for charging screen. Within minutes. If not seen within an hour, check adapter, cable, or try another power source. Fix 2. Force restart iPhone. iPhone 8/8 plus X11 12. Press volume up, volume down, then hold power for logo. iPhone 7/7 plus. Press volume down and power together for logo. iPhone 6 or earlier. Hold power and home for logo. Fix 3. Restore iPhone from iTunes. Case 1. No error message appears. Connect iPhone or iPad to iTunes. Full backup iOS device. Click Restore to reset firmware. iTunes may ask to restore from backup. Case 2. An error message pops up, asking you to restore or update. Follow screen to restore iPhone. Fix 4. Store iPhone in DFU mode. Install iTunes. Connect iPhone and iTunes. DFU mode. iPhone 6s 6s Plus. Power plus home. iPhone 7/7 Plus. Power plus volume down. iPhone 8/8 Plus and newer. Volume up. Volume down. Hold side. Then hold volume down. Follow iTunes prompts for DFU restore. Fix 5. Restore iPhone in recovery mode. Open iTunes on PC. Connect iPhone with USB. Enter recovery mode. Click Restore in iTunes. iPhone restarts. Setup process begins. Part 4. Fix iPhone not opening after iOS 15, 14, 13 update. What to do if my iPhone or iPad still won't turn on after the workarounds above? Now is the time for iOS system recovery to show its talents. As one of the most highly regarded products, this software is designed specifically for iOS repair.